Hey guys, welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Sony WI-C310 wireless stereo headset. So now let's look at the box and figure out some of the specifications as well as the features of these earphones. The first thing you can see here is that it has 15 hours of wireless playback time. Let's turn around and see if we have any more specifications. On the side here, we have hands-free calling with HD voice. You have 15 hours of playback time, hybrid silicone rubber earbuds. You also have fast charge where 10 minutes of charging can give you about 60 minutes of playback time, which is pretty good. The earbuds also support voice assistant, so it's compatible with Google Assistant, Siri, and the works. You also have a USB Type-C cable. Let's look at the back here. We have some specifications. You can see that it comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. It supports the codecs SBC and AAC. It comes with noise suppression and side tone. And it also has approximately 15 hours of battery life with a maximum of 2 hours of standby time. So now let's open this box and see what we have inside. So the first thing we have in here is a charging cable. This is a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. It's a pretty short cable, so keep that in mind. Let's set this aside. Next thing we have right here is this looks like a user guide. It tells you how to use the earphones, what are the control functions and the works. So let's set this aside as well. Right here we have a more in-depth user guide with a lot of safety information as well. And here we have a little guide that tells us how to charge the earphones. In here we have 2 extra pairs of silicone ear tips with the third fitted on the earbuds themselves. So this is the small sized ear tip, and you also have the large sized ear tip. The earbuds have the medium sized ear tip on them, so you can choose between anything that fits you the best. There we go. Let's set that aside. And now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. So you can see that these are wireless earphones. They are not exactly neckband style, but they do sit around your neck. This area does sit around your neck. It is a soft cable, so it's not hard against your neck and should be pretty comfortable. You also have these Bluetooth modules right here. This one just has the Sony logo, while this one has a bunch of controls. You have the volume plus, volume minus, and the central multifunction button, which also works as a power button. The buttons are not very tactile. They're a little mushy when you press them in, so keep that in mind. Here you have a flap. When you take it apart, it reveals the USB Type-C port for charging. Now let's look at the earbuds. They're simple earbuds with no magnetic connection. They have this metallic sheen to them, which looks really nice, and the Sony logo. You also have the left and right indicators right here. And that's about it. So this was the unboxing of the Sony WI-C310 earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.